Okay, so a quick demonstration of the Global Telemetrics Thatcham category S5 approved tracking system with immobilisation and Bluetooth card link, so Bluetooth driver ID. So here's your Bluetooth tag, 2 of these with the vehicle. Credit card size, so fit perfectly in your wallet, purse, etc. Now when the vehicle's moved or attempted to be moved without the card present, the vehicle simply won't start. So for demonstration purposes, I've switched the card off. So put my foot on the brake, press the button to start the car. We got no start. Okay, engine start not possible. So we'll just open the door to turn that radio off. Okay, so engine start not possible because it couldn't see the card. Now if I turn this card on, you can keep it turned on all the time, the batteries last a fair while. Simple push that button there, you'll see blue LED. Basically it says there 1 flash for on, 3 flashes for off. So I've turned the card on now, so this card's live. The other card there is switched off. See, when you're not using cards, you can store it up with your spare keys. You can keep the card switched off. Typically if you're leaving the card switched on in your wallet, that's fine. You don't need to keep turning it on and off every time. You can leave it switched on. If your battery goes flat in the card, you see these 2 little connections here. Now along with the system you'll get a USB charging clip. So there's your USB socket, typical USB. Those little prongs there clip over the top of the card, and that's how you charge your card up if you need to. So now anyway, so this card's turned on now. So if I'll turn the ignition back on again, attempt to start the car, starts and runs fine because it can see the card. So no problem at all. Keep a card with you, card will start. No card, no start. So the beauty of that is if somebody steals or clones your key, they still can't start your car unless they've got this card with them. So there you go, Thatcham category S5, keep your insurance company happy. S5 with immobilisation, so it's the highest current available accreditation for insurance approved vehicle tracking. Give us a call if you need any more information, or if you need to book an install. There's the phone number on there, if you can see, upside down. There we are, 0330 010 0506, or search up Autosparx online, you'll find us. There you go, no problem. Secure BMW X3.